Hi, thank you for joining us at FacePaintcom. I'm Shelley Wapniak.
And I'm your model, Thomas Cole.
And today we're painting sharks. We're doing fishies. So today we decided to paint a fish that is more relevant to adults, something on a full face. Children would love this, of course, but this is something that more of a patient model can execute. I use a lot of gray and white tones to do the great white shark. Instead of blacking out the sides of the face, I chose to create an ocean feel. I tried to cut off his nose to create that giant, gaping, enormous mouth. We moved the eyes down just a little bit onto his eyeball sockets because the human face is not shaped like a shark's, as well as leaving out some rows of teeth. I also left out the body. I wanted to be a right dead on center front view, but I did put the fins on there so he's not just a floating head. It's got like an illusion to a body. But this kept it simple without going overboard, but still creating the feeling and the suggestion of a scary, vicious shark. I hope you enjoyed our video. This is FacePaintcom.
You can find the links to all the products we used in the description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.